Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Bajaj Auto. Our analyst retains buy rating on Bajaj Auto with a revised price target of Rs 11,400 on its superior profitability, play on premiumization and expectation of a gradual recovery in exports. With improved motorcycle sales mix and gross margin expansion, the company has reported slightly better than expected performance in Q1. Initial response to CNG motorcycle has been positive, while export to African markets have yet to recover fully. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 26.2 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 19.4 times its FY26 estimate.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.